Welcome to the shop. Y'all come on in. This was a feed store long ago. We moved in here this year. Got these 2 racks for storing lumber on. And then these 2 BOBCATS were in my granny's house. And they recently resurfaced in my life. And I'm really happy about that. We've got pieces that we've taken off of old houses. There's a sink over here. Lumber that's already been prepped. There's butcher blocks. It's a mess right now. We've got our sign, the measure once, cuss twice. You know, it's funny, I mean, obviously we don't follow that. So this sander doesn't look like much, but it came out of my dad's shop and we literally use it daily. Sometimes it runs all day long. We've got our sign that says, I love getting creative, to motivate guys in the shop. We've got our clamp stored over here. We try to have a place for everything. As you can see, when sawdust starts flying and things start getting made, it kind of gets, you know, messy in here, which is funny because we have a sign that says, get an early start on tomorrow by cleaning your workstation today, and it's halfway covered up by lumber. We try to save as much lumber as we can. We've got a section of storage that is all heart pine flooring, old siding, and that's the stuff that we like to build with. You've seen it on Hometown, but we do it in real life every day here.